about outbreeding devices or contrivances. First of all, we have to discuss what is outbreeding devices and why it is developed in a bisexual flower. Let us discuss about what is outbreeding devices. Outbreeding devices means the plant develop mechanism to prevent a self-pollination or to avoid the self-pollination and promote the cross-pollination. For this, flowering plant develop special devices for preventing the self-pollination. Why this development or the adaptation takes place in the flowering plant? In self-pollination, if self-pollination in bisexual flower, self-pollination takes place continuously. Then, due to that, the bisexual flower leading to the inbreeding depression. What is the inbreeding depression? Inbreeding depression means the loss of fertility or loss of vigor and continuous self-pollination leading to this inbreeding depression. To avoid such kind of the inbreeding depression, some plant develop special kind of the devices to avoid self-pollination and promote cross-pollination. It need for the genetic diversity, and genetic diversity is essential for evolution by natural selection, or it is also responsible for the development of sexual strategies, or evolve the large amount of sexual strategies in the plant. So let us discuss about the outbreeding devices developed in a different kind of the plant for preventing the self-pollination and promoting the cross-pollination. Let's discuss about first devices, that is unisexuality. Unisexuality. The plant consists of either male flower or the female flower. Condition is called dioecision. What is the dioecision? Plant consists of male flower, either female flower. Condition called dioecision. Here, two kind of the plant we have to discuss about that. That is a monoecious plant and a dioecious plant. Monoecious plant and dioecious plant. What is the meaning of the monoecious plant? Here, single plant consists of two type of the flower, means the male flower and the female flower on the same plant. Condition is called monoecious plant. Example is here maize. What about the dioecious plant? Dioecious plant means the male flower develop another plant, or female flower develop on the different plant. Means such a species of the plant is known as the dioecious plant. Example is here papaya or mulberry plant. Papaya or mulberry, where male flower plant is different and female flower plant is different. So dioecious condition. What happened here? In a monoecious condition of the plant, here autogamy is prevented, but geitonogamy is not prevented, that takes place. But in a dioecious condition, both arterogamy and geitonogamy, both process of the self-pollination is avoided, prevented. So, such a devices, such a adaptation is for the avoiding the self-pollination and promote the cross-pollination. So, this is the unisexuality outbreeding devices. Example is here maize for monoecious plant and the papaya or mulberry plant for a dioecious plant. Let us discuss about the another outbreeding devices, that is dichogamy. Dichogamy. First of all, meaning of dichogamy. In this adaptation, the maturity of both sex organ in the flower, that is androecium and gynoecium, takes place at different timing, and this is for avoiding the self pollination. So maturity is the need for the pollination of the both sex organ should mature at the same time, but in this condition, this timing of the maturity is the change. That maturity takes place at a different timing. So condition is called a dichogamy. Here it is comprises two conditions. First condition is here protandry. What is the protandry? Here androecium of the flower mature earlier than gynoecium. Condition is called protandry. An example is here sunflower. In floret of the sunflower, androecium mature earlier than gynoecium. Second condition of dichogamy is protogyny. Here, gynoecium mature earlier than androecium. And example is here gloriosa. In gloriosa plant, gynoecium mature earlier than androecium. And this different timing of the maturity prevent the self-pollination and promote to the cross-pollination. So this is the dichogamy adaptation or outbreeding devices found in a plant. Let's discuss the next one, that is the prepotency. Prepotency. Prepotency adaptation found in a apple. Example is here apple. What happened here? Prepotency condition. Let us discuss with the help of the diagram. This is the stigma of flower, and on this stigma two kind of the pollen grain landed. First pollen grain from the same flower and another pollen grain is from different flower landed on this stigma. As compared to the germination of both that pollen grain, germination of the another flower pollen grain takes place faster as compared to the pollen grain of the same flower. Condition is known as prepotency. प्रीपोटेन्सी मध्ये दुसऱ्या फ्लावरचा पोलन ग्रेन हा रॅपिडली जर्मिनेट होतो आणि हे फ्लावर त्याला रॅपिडली जर्मिनेट होण्यासाठी अलाउ करते as compared to the pollen grain of the same flower. Condition is called prepotency. Example is here apple. So this is the outbreeding devices for promoting the cross pollination and avoiding the self pollination. Let's discuss about the next outbreeding devices, that is heterostyly. The example like the primula, primrose consist of 2 or 3 forms of the flower, and this flower consists of different length of the style, which is flesh or anther or the stigma placed at the different level to avoiding the self pollination and promote the cross pollination. Let's discuss diagrammatically. Example like the primrose. When we draw the different length of the style, when we draw this flower consists of the longer style of the carpel. Means ultimately the anther stamens is short here, as compared to the another flower, because it consists of the 2 or 3 forms of the flower on the same plant. Here the length of the style is the short, but the length of the stamens is longer. So this condition is known as the heterostyly condition. And due to that difference in the length of that androecium and gynecium, this plant unable to undergoing the self pollination and promote the cross pollination, because the transfer of the pollen grain takes place in between the different plant which consist of the same level of that anther and the stigma. So this is the heterostyly condition. Example is here primula, primrose or oxalis, also example here. So this is the heterostyly. Next one is hercogamy. Here plant like the calotropis procera. Example is here calotropis procera, ज्याला आपण रुई म्हणतो. Such a plant or hercogamy condition outbreeding devices develop mechanical devices in between the mechanical barrier in between the two sex organ in the bisexual flower, means that prevent the self pollination and obviously promote the cross pollination. So here in this calotropis procera example, there are that pentagonal stigma is found on the upper part, and below that there is the anther is found. So this is the hercogamy, where physical barrier developed by the flower in between the two sex organ to prevent the self pollination and obviously promote the cross pollination condition. And outbreeding devices, such as outbreeding devices known as the hercogamy. Example is here calotropis procera. Then last devices is self-incompatibility. Self-incompatibility means here the pollen grain of the same flower, when it will landed on the stigma of the same flower, pollen grain of the same flower is inhibited, germination of that pollen grain is inhibited by the stigma of the same flower, and it is easily allow the germination of the pollen grain of the another flower. So here this condition is known as the self-incompatibility. Means there cell pollen grain is incompatible to the same flower of the stigma, and such a condition avoid the self pollination and obviously promote the cross pollination. So here when we draw the diagram of this mechanism devices, so we can say when this is the flower and this is the anther. When this anther, the dehiscence of the anther takes place and landed the pollen grain of the same flower, but this pollen grain is germination of this pollen grain is inhibited on the stigma. But another condition whenever we observe here, when the pollen grain of the different flower landed on the stigma, it is allowed to the germination of this pollen grain. So this condition is known as the cell incompatibility. Example is here tobacco and thea. So this is all about here the outbreeding devices takes place in the bisexual flower, in the flowering plant, for the avoiding the self pollination and to promote the cross pollination. Thank you.